Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we are going to study about duplicate dominant epistasis. Now what do we mean by duplicate dominant epistasis? This is also known as duplicate genes, and in this condition when either epistatic or hypostatic gene is dominant or both are dominant, that when the phenotype get affected. It is just the reverse of duplicate recessive epistasis. In duplicate recessive epistasis, when the epistatic or hypostatic gene or both are in recessive condition, that means the phenotype get affected. Here, when the epistatic or hypostatic gene or both are dominant, that means the phenotype get affected. So here again, the F2 generation ratio is 9:3:3:1. Again, I am telling you this 9 is for when both the characters are dominant, and for the character to be dominant, at least one allele should be present in a dominant state. So that's when A dash and capital B dash. Because if we write capital A, capital A, capital B, or we write capital S, small a, capital B, small b, in both the condition, the phenotypes will be the same because one dominant allele is present, and hence it is written as capital A dash, capital B dash. This 3 when A is in recessive condition, B is in dominant. This 3 when A is dominant and B is recessive, just the vice versa of the above one, and 1 when both the characters are in recessive state. So this we very easily remember the dihybrid cross ratio in law of independent assortment. Now, how the ratio will change in case of duplicate dominant? So, duplicate dominant means when either or both are in dominant state. So, this one, both are in dominant state. This one, B is dominant. This one, A is dominant. So, these three we have to add because these are the three genotypes that will affect the phenotype. So, the ratio will become 15:1. No need to mug up. Only with the help of a dihybrid cross ratio, you can get the new ratio if you know the type of epistatic interaction. Coming to the test cross ratio is 1:1:1:1. Why so? Again, those who have not seen that video, I would request you to see the video for the test cross ratios. So we get the ratio 1:1:1:1. How this ratio will get affected? This is dominant. Here also A is dominant. Here B is dominant. So we have to add these three. So 3:1. So new ratio will become 3:1. Now example is shepherd's purse fruit shape, which is in triangular and ovoid. So it has two genes, gene A and gene B, hypostatic and epistatic genes. These are, again, the ratio is 9:3:1. So how it is affecting? Both dominant, B dominant, A dominant. So these three will be of one phenotype. So here these three are triangular in nature and the recessive one is ovoid. The mechanism behind this is over the ovoid shape, the product of gene A and gene B both play their function to convert this ovoid state into a triangular shape. Now again a homework for you, write the phenotypes in case of test cross. Do let me know in the comment section if you found the video informative. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the next video notification. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.